Hello, techies! Welcome back to my channel. Kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, click mo naman yung subscribe button at notification bell and select all para ma-update ka sa mga latest uploads ko. Okay guys, are you wondering how to add branding and personality to your Instagram bio? Or you want to make a stronger first impression with your Instagram profile? Well, for this video, I will show you some useful tips na makakatulong po to build and optimize an Instagram profile for your business. So, without further ado, techies, let's start. Tip number 1, choose a quality profile photo that reflects your branding. Una sa lahat guys, yung Instagram profile photo, mas represent kung sino ka at ano ka. So, halimbawa, kung isa kang business or brand, pumili ka nung logo na madali kang makikilala o maaalala. Kasi yung logo mo serves as the easiest solution because it helps you stay visually consistent across all of your channels. Pero kung halimbawang isa kang influencer, entrepreneur, or vlogger, mas mabuting pumili ka nung picture ng sarili mo which communicates who you are and what you do. So, for example, I have here my own photo. So, I'm a virtual assistant, kaya medyo formal yung datingan ng ating profile photo. So, yun siya. Yun siya, guys. Tip number 2, include a keyword with your name. So, to ensure people can find you guys, make sure that the name you share on Instagram is in fact your name, not your Instagram username. So, kasi mas madali para sa mga target audience na ma-search ka sa Instagram sa pamamagitan ng real name mo, kung real name yung gamit mo, or kung company name naman yung gamit mo. So, yun. So, kung i-search nila yung company name mo sa Instagram, and then same din ng username mo, mas malaki yung possibility na searchable. Kasi kung halimbawa, yung username mo is different from your real name, kung ang ginamit mo na Instagram name is your real name and then yung username mo is iba, so medyo maliit lang yung chances na ma-search ka. Yun. Kaya as you can see, yung aking Instagram business page, kung ano yung freelancing page ko sa Facebook, yun din yung aking Instagram business page. So, by the way guys, dun sa mga hindi po nakapanood ng tutorial ko on how to link your Facebook page, business page to Instagram, I will post the link on the description box para ma-update po kayo. Kasi itong example ko is mas nakakalamang for business owners. So, kaya kung mapapansin nyo, yung aking example is business. So, hindi po siya for personal use. So, okay, to proceed, tip number 3, incorporate target keywords in your description. Because your Instagram bio, guys, has less time than an eye blink to make a great first impression. Kaya dapat yung bio nyo pag binasa, madali lang. So, ano lang siya, yung short but meaningful. So, yung madaling maintindihan nung magbabasa ng bio nyo. So, katulad nito, yung sa akin, sobrang simple, helping you in reaching your goals to grow your business. Take note, may keyword ako doon. What is that? The word business. So, meaning, kung ikaw ay isang business owner, entrepreneur ka, so ikaw yung aking target audience. And yung services na ino-offer ko ay para sa'yo. So, ganun siya guys, yung paghanap ng keyword. Okay, and then let's go to tip number 4. Add a call to action. So, it's either, call to action, ito guys yung next step para dun sa nagbasa ng bio nyo or yung target audience nyo kung ano yung gagawin nila after mabasa yung bio. So, kung makikita nyo, dyan sa aking example, under social media marketing, tips, and more, may arrow down. So, meaning, kailangan nilang tignan yung mga pinost ko pa. So, and then, dun sa mga posting ko, may makikita sila dong another call to action. For example, ng mga call to action, like this post, if you think it's useful, or wait lang. Okay. Yun yung mga example ng call to action. Pwedeng follow me for more updates or valuable content. So, ayun guys. So, pwede nyo ring bisitahin yung aking Facebook business page para makita nyo pa yung iba pang example ng call to actions. So, yun. Madami kasi. And then, last but not the least, you can add a contact details. So, under the settings, yung profile settings nyo guys, scroll down nyo lang, makikita nyo yung public business information. So, dun sa baba niya, may makikita kayong contact option. So, it's either email or contact number yung ilagay nyo. So, optional lang naman sa inyo to guys, para meron ding option si audience nyo na makontak kayo. Aside from having direct message you in Instagram, pwede rin nila kayong i-message via email. So, that's all for today, techies. Kung sana yung mga tips na tinuro ko today, ma-apply nyo sa inyong mga Instagram business page, and para mas madali para sa inyong mga target audience na ma-search kayo through Instagram. So, kung may mga tanong pa kayo dyan, i-type nyo lang sa comment section and willing po akong sagutin. At kung nagustuhan nyo ang videong ito at sa tingin nyo ay nakatulong din sa inyo, dun sa mga baguhan lang sa channel ko, please consider subscribing and share nyo na din sa mga kakilala nyo sa tingin nyo ay interesado para makatulong naman tayo sa kanila. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. God bless everyone!